Hey guys, we're going to be going through BTS's Now3. This is Dreaming Days. I did get the first press, so I got a standing paper or a standing card. Just plain on the back. So you will get the same one, no matter who, which one you get. And then there are, I believe, 7 photo cards, different photo cards you can get. And I believe they're all groups, so they won't be the individual members. They're all going to be group cards. So I find it easier just to push the big book from the side and then pull it out. You will also get a full, pretty good size photo that you can frame or hang up or get signed, I guess. It looks like this, and it will be the same one in every album or photo book. Just plain on the back. Okay, so we're gonna go through the Revealer, what is it? Neverland book. There we go. It also has their interviews, so when they say the interview book, that's what this is. And so the interviews are in English and in Korean as well, which is really, really nice. And these are group missions. I haven't seen the disc yet. I haven't watched it. But it's probably going to be hilarious. Oh my gosh. Oh man, especially if they're anything like these photos. Oh, Sugar reminds me of L from Death Note, if you know what that is. Like I can't think of what they're called, but that's what he reminds me of. Oh, I love this photo. Okay, that's our Neverland book. Just gonna slide it back in. And now for the Hugo photo book. Oh, I'm so excited. I have not looked through this yet, so if I get really, really quiet, it's probably because I'm trying to not freak out loud. Oh my gosh. Okay. What is up with these sleeves with like holes midway? I hope they like do some crazy costumes, especially if it's like this Neverland, like the other book's name was, something like that, themed. I hope they go really crazy. No cheese. I guess my pages are kind of sticking. Oh, G-Man. You know, one thing I really miss about BTS is Jimin's abs. I feel like he hasn't shown them in forever. What? did they do to Cookie's hair? Oh my gosh. I don't think they've ever dyed his hair before. He's always had the dark brown hair. What? I don't think they've ever dyed J-Hope's hair either. I think it's always been dark. Oh, they're just so adorable. Oh, Cookie. Don't look like that. Sorry about all the popping sounds. I don't know what's going on. Like, probably because this is my first time flipping through it. It's like detaching itself. Oh my gosh. Bee's hair. I loved when it was this purple color. Ah, Jimin. What? Oh my god, look at this. What's going on under their eyes? Oh, J-Hope. And Suga's got the weird hair. Like a rainbow. I don't know if I like it or not. I know they dyed Jin's hair. Jin's hair was my favorite in Danger. I hope he does that again. I kind of like this orange a lot better than when they first did it. Because it was like too bright. I think it was for Run. Oh no, he kind of had an orangey red for Dope. Oh my gosh, they're too adorable. Ooh. Ooh, jeez. Oh, J-Hope looks so good. Oh, I love this. Oh my god. Cookie looks all grown up. Rat Monster's in a goth phase. Oh my gosh. I love photo books like this. Oh, Jimin. Oh, Jen, I love your hair. Let's push back. You look so much more grown up. I think it's getting better with like each chapter, the photos. Oh, what the hell is this hat? Ooh. And I've got like this gems kind of thing going on. Are those like feathers almost? Oh, V. Oh, J-Hope's kind of make it look like he's crying. That's not Cookie. Oh my god. Oh, this has to be my favorite so far. Oh my god, Jimin, your hair. Look at those little pigtails. Oh, that is too funny. Oh, J-Hope. I love this. I just think it's a weird concept on Rat Monster. Oh, Sugar's got his green hair back. Jimin. I love this kind of color tone. What's kind of going on almost reminds me a little bit of like a rainbow. I think with that hair, J-Hope will look better in like a leather jacket than his little preppy man vest. Cookie. V. I know V just starting a drama too. I'll have to watch it. So I was really hoping to see these boys acting or in like movies or something. I think Cookie would be really, really good. Jungkook. Ooh, V. Ooh. Oh my god. Aw, Jungkook, too cute. Oh, this is a better look for Rat Monster. I love those glasses too. Is he wearing like a contact lens? Like just one? So he's wearing just like one colored contact. Nope. Oh, G-Man. He's just laughing at himself, isn't he? Oh, special thanks to the army. Okay, and then we have our CD. It's kind of got that camo style. Oh, there we go. Okay, and now for the photo cards, I got Gen B and Rat Monster. It just says a little something on the back. Special writing by Suga. So that's how you'll probably know which one's different. They'll probably, each member will have a different special writing. And then I've got, oh, I guess not, because this one's got a special writing from Suga as well. This one's got Suga and J-Hope. And then one of my two actually came with 2 cards in it. So they accidentally gave me an extra. So here's my other one. This one's got Cookie, Jungkook, and Jimin. So let me know which section you guys like the best. The Wake Up or Waking Up one was my favorite. I just love the whole look and like the coloring of the photographs. Let me know which cards you guys got if you got a Now3 as well. Like and subscribe, and until the next video. Bye guys!